This channel is about me and the things that I love. Natural hair. To all my natural sisters out there. I'm a wife and mom of 6. Yeah, you heard me right, 6 kids. So you'll see a lot of videos about self-care, encouragement, being bougie on a budget. Just because you're on a budget don't mean you can't have nice things, look nice, carry yourself with class. DIYs and so much more. I really created this channel with you in mind, whether you have kids or not. We give out a lot. We need a place where we can come and get poured back into. Like it, share with a lady if you know needs some encouragement. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You can never fail if you be yourself. Yourself, you never fail.